Dialogue. This dialogue is between a woman and a doctor at a GP clinic. The woman has been experiencing persistent headaches for several weeks and is seeking medical advice. The dialogue begins now.
Good morning. I can see from your file that you've been experiencing headaches for the past 2 weeks. Can you describe the pain for me?
Doc. Ang sakit po ay karamihan ay nasa kanang bahagi ng aking ulo. Nagsisimula po ito sa umaga at lumalala habang lumilipas ang araw. Minsan po ay nahihilo rin ako.
I see. Have you noticed any changes in your vision? Or do you feel nauseous when the headaches are severe?
Minsan po ay nagiging malabo ang aking paningin pero hindi po ako nahihilo. Umiinom po ako ng paracetamol pero ilang oras lang po ang tumatagal ang epekto.
I'd like to run some tests, including a blood test and possibly a CT scan, just to rule out anything serious. I'll also refer you to a specialist if needed.
Nakakaba po ang inyong sinabi. Gaano katagal po ako maghihintay para sa resulta ng mga test? Nag-aalala po ako baka may malalang sakit.
The blood test results should be available within 3 days. The CT scan might take about a week. Please try not to worry. Most headaches have simple causes like stress or tension.
Salamat po, Doc. Dapat po ba akong magpatuloy sa paracetamol sa ngayon o gusto po ninyong magrekomenda ng mas malakas na gamot?
You can continue with paracetamol for now, but don't exceed 4 grams per day. I'll also prescribe a mild anti-inflammatory that may help with the pain. Make sure you stay hydrated and get enough rest.
Naiintindihan ko po. Magpapabook po ako ng mga test sa front desk pagkalabas ko. Salamat po sa inyong oras, Doc.
One more thing, if your headaches suddenly become much worse, or you experience sudden vision loss or difficulty speaking, please go to the emergency department immediately.
Sige po. Salamat po sa payo, Doc. Siguraduhin ko pong bumalik para sa follow-up appointment pagkatapos lumabas ang resulta.